Click on the link below to get price. The Caroma Peak Electric Scooter presents a compelling combination of power, durability, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for both urban commuters and off-road enthusiasts alike. With 3 different power options, 500W, 800W, and 1200W, users can select the model that best suits their needs. The higher wattage versions provide robust acceleration and hill climbing capability, ideal for tackling steep inclines or rough terrains. One of the standout features of the Caroma Peak is its 20-inch off-road tires, which not only enhance stability but also deliver a smooth ride over various surfaces, including gravel, dirt, and uneven pavements. These tires absorb shocks effectively, making it a comfortable option for longer journeys or bumpy trails. The scooter's suspension system further complements its rugged design, ensuring that riders feel secure and cushioned throughout their adventures. Range is another crucial aspect, and the Caroma Peak excels in this department. With options for 15, 25, or 30 miles of range, users can confidently make longer trips without the constant worry of running out of battery. This is particularly advantageous for those using the scooter for commuting, allowing for a round trip without the need for frequent charging. The inclusion of a seat is a thoughtful design feature, providing added comfort during longer rides. The seat is well padded and adjustable, catering to various rider heights and preferences. Additionally, the deck is spacious, allowing for a stable stance even when standing. The scooter is also equipped with bright LED lights, enhancing visibility during nighttime rides, and the braking system is responsive, ensuring safety in various riding conditions. Overall, the Caroma Peak Electric Scooter is a robust, well-designed option that strikes a perfect balance between utility and fun. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-road trails, it offers an impressive performance that meets a variety of riding needs.